Here we are going to show you how to reset the navigation after you disconnect the radio, or you remove the radio from the vehicle, or you disconnect your battery. You need to reset the navigation by choosing the state that you live in and then save it in the navigation unit. This is a Toyota 2011 Prius, which is similar to the other years. To reset the navigation, the first step that you do, you press the destination button, and then you press the address button on the touch screen, and then you touch the search area, and it shows the map of the United States. And then here you choose the states that you are in. You can go to a different state on the map. Suppose if you live in California, you press US 2, and then you said OK, and that's it. So this way the navigation unit, it knows your original state, and based on that one, it will give you the guidance.